Hello everyone, it is Shay here coming in to give you a quick video about some LOC products that I use. But if this is your first time watching me, thank you for watching and welcome to my channel. I do videos about LOCs, a little about travel, lifestyle, home decor, all of that stuff. I try to be consistent, but it is so hard because this is not my full-time job. I am a middle school teacher, so I just try to create when I can. But anyway, back to this video. So I'm so surprised, I don't think I made a video about this, but I wanted to talk about the 5 LOC products that I use. It's only 5, okay? So I am going to start, and I've been using this since the beginning of my LOC journey. I haven't really strayed away from these at all. So it's just like 5 staple products that I use. So let me just start. This right here, rosewater glycerin. You guys have seen it in my videos all the time. I use this not on a daily basis, but probably about 3 times a week. When I wake up in the morning, I spritz my hair if it's dry. So yeah, rosewater glycerin, probably about 3 times a week. I just get it on Amazon. You can pretty much get it anywhere. It is so good. Another product that I use on a weekly basis is this Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Moisture and Shine Hair Sheen. You guys have seen this as well. It says for dry, dull, and brittle hair. Adds moisture, manageability, adds shine. I know you guys are familiar with this. This is probably the only Carol's Daughter product that I use, and I really loved it. Like, I've tried some of her shampoos and things, and so yeah, shampoos and things, you know, years prior, like when I was a loose natural and all of that. But this one right here, I keep coming back to. I love this product. Okay, another product that I use, and mainly I use this after I wash my hair when I'm doing like my braid outs or whatever you want to call it, my braids or my twist. After I wash my hair, freshly washed hair, I use this Apricot Oil, and I will put this on every section of my hair. You guys have seen this in my videos. If you watch my LOC update videos, I use this all the time too, this Apricot Oil. I just get it from a grocery store here in Southern California that we have called Sprouts, but you can get this anywhere. Of course, you can get it on Amazon. It is Apricot Oil. It says softens fine lines, so you can use it on your face too, but it also moisturizes dry hair. So really good. Another thing that I use if I want to like oil my scalp, I'll use Jamaican black castor oil. I'll mix it though with some regular castor oil, but yeah, I'll just put it like in a squeeze bottle. You guys have seen me do this as well, and I will moisturize my scalp. This is kind of too thick for me to put on my locks. It's super thick. There's another castor oil that's a little I'm lying, all castor oils are thick. So anyway, if I do put this on my locks, I'll do it as like a conditioning treatment, and then I'll wash it out, because this stuff is super thick, but it's super good. So I get this off of Amazon as well. It says using hair, skin moisturizer, and massage oil. So I like products that can be used for more than one thing. I just think that's great. And then finally, this is just a empty rosewater glycerin bottle that I filled up with water and essential oils. So I have just plain water, and I have some tea tree oil in here, and I also have, shoot, I can't even think of the name of it. Peppermint oil, tea tree oil and peppermint oil. I will also use this a few times a week. So like when I wake up in the morning, if my hair is dry, I might alternate between spraying it with the rosewater glycerin or just the plain water. But yeah, that is about it. These are my staple products. I swear by them. They really work for me. Yeah, so on this semi-freeform LOC journey that I'm using, this is what I use. I You guys know I do not retwist a lot. Maybe last year I might have retwisted 2 or 3 times. And when I retwist, I literally just use the oils. I just use the oils to retwist. So when I first started, I had another, like a gel product that I used, and it was fine. My sister actually recommended it to me and she uses this often, but I just don't want any buildup in my locks, so I don't do it. But yeah, that is about it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.